Why do 90% of marabou storks look like they've got a dark secret? Let's find out. These colossal birds from Africa are often called Undertaker birds. Why? Just look at them. With their hunched backs and featherless heads, they look like they've stepped out of a spooky tale. But here's the twist. They're nature's cleanup crew, gobbling up carcasses and keeping the environment tidy. Ominous? Maybe. Essential? Definitely. So next time you see one, remember, they're just doing their part. Want more wild facts? Hit that subscribe button and help us reach 500 followers on Dodita's Family YouTube channel. See you in the wild side.